Alright guys, from here on out I'm going to do the audio recordings as well with the video. I know I've kind of got a strong accent, so sorry, but you're just going to have to put up with me. Alright, what we're going to cover today, at least for now, is what used to be referred to as canned replies or quick replies. For those of you that like to create posting templates, maybe you like to welcome new members and you're always typing the same thing, etc., etc. So what we've done is we've added a way for you to quickly do that here at CouchTater. So let's go ahead and get started. What we're going to do first is create a new canned reply or quick reply. Can't remember exactly what it's called here. We'll get into that in a moment. But we're going to create a category, then we're going to create a quick reply, and then we're going to show you how to use it inside the post. In this particular example, what we're going to do is create a posting template to make it quick and easy so you're not always having to open Notepad and so forth. So what we're going to do is, and now this does rely on the fact that you do have the correct permission sets. This feature is not available for all members. It's available for staff. It's available for anyone that's purchased an account upgrade. If you're VIP, if you're an honored member, then this feature is going to be available to you. Alright, so if I log in and I just hover over my username here, we're going to go down and we're going to see predefined reply. So we're just going to go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, there's no predefined replies have been added yet. I deleted everything that I made with testing, etc. It's ready to launch, so I deleted everything and we're going to start fresh. So we're going to click right here on Create New Predefined Reply Group. And for this group, I'm going to name it TV Shows. And you'll notice that you also have a display order. The lower the number, the higher up in the chain it's going to show you. So number 1 is going to be at the top, number 2 is going to be right below it. What I like to do is start at 1 and then go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so forth as I create them. That way if I create a new one and I kind of want to put it in the middle, I don't have to change the display order of every single one just to put one in the middle somewhere. Alright, so you don't have to go in consecutive order. It's going to go in numerical order no matter if you skip 10, 20, whatever. So we're going to name this group TV Shows with a display order of 1. Okay, you can see my settings have been changed up here. So now we have a group called TV Shows. Yes, I need to change that font color, but that's on my end and I'll have it done probably by the time you watch this video. Alright, so now that we have a predefined group here, we need to create a predefined reply to put in that group. So I'm just going to click on that. This reply title is going to be for TV Show Complete Seasons. Alright, and what I want to put in the predefined reply here is my BB code and anything. I'm going to do this quite simple, just for the sake of the video. So what I'm going to do is put some bold tags with the download title, come down a couple of lines and put in my code tags. And now most everything that I'm going to be posting is going to have a password on it. So again, my bold tags and archive password, because we also use RAR files or zip files, some sort of archive. Alright, so bold that and come down here, put some more code tags. Alright, and a nice little enjoy. Okay, and I like to include a little smiley face or something, you know, it's just my personal posting. So I happen to know thumbs up is my 2 little thumbs up dude. So I'm going to put that at the bottom. The predefined reply group is going to be TV shows that we just created. Okay. Alright, and the display order in this is going to also be 1, which means it's going to be the first one to display under the category of TV shows. So the next one I create, I'd probably use 10, and then 20, and then 30, and so forth as my display order. Okay, because that's how the order they're going to display under that category, and you'll see where that comes into play here in a bit. Alright, so now I'm just going to save that. And while we're at it, let's go ahead and create one more. So I'm going to do TV show single episode. And I'm going to do download. My code tags. And archive password. And my bold tags. And code. Okay, now I might want to put, and this is just me, just to add something a little bit different, I'm going to add some tags up here to the top. Episode. And a couple of lines in between, that way I can put my episode right there. You know, episode season 1, episode 23, whatever the case may be. Alright, and that's going to also go and group TV shows. I'm going to leave this at 10 since I put 1 on the last one. And like I said, the next one will be 20 and 30 and so forth. Alright, so we're going to save that. And now you'll see I have 2 quick replies that I can use. So now, how do we go about using those? Alright, so I'm going to go back to the home page here, and if I was going to post a complete season, obviously I'm going to go into complete seasons here. And we saw in the other tutorial about how to post the TV shows, go into the movie database, getting the link, putting that in there, and how it draws all that information in for us. So we're not going to actually create a post or anything like that. I'm just going to show you where and how to use the posting templates. So we're going to post a new TV show. Okay. Thread title, test thread, test link, because I'm not actually going to submit it. Well, actually I will, so let's open up a new tab. That way you can see how it's going to post and so forth. Alright, let's just do Supernatural. There we go. Okay, and if this was for, say, Season 1, I'm going to go into Season 1, grab my link, come back over here, post it in. Let's go ahead and change this to Supernatural. Season 1 complete. Test tutorial. That way I'll remember to delete it later. Okay, so normally this is where I'd open up my notepad, I'd grab my posting template, I'd paste it back in. We're not going to have to do that. If you look right here, we got what looks like a movie ticket with a little X or plus symbol, or I don't know what it is. But anyways, we're going to click on that. That's going to drop down our box here. And you'll see our category, TV show complete seasons, TV show single episode. Okay? So this is going to be a complete season. Click it, boom, there's our load. I've got a little double click issue with my mouse, so all that shouldn't have been there. That's not an issue with the mod, that's not an issue with the site, it's an issue with my particular mouse. I'm double clicking instead of single, and it's about to get on my nerves, but different story. Alright, so we click it, and let's just do that one more time so you can see. See, click once, there's the information. Alright, so, and now here, download. Here, I put my download links. If there's a password, I'm going to put the password in. That's it, boom, I'm done. And create thread. And what it's telling me is that the show I'm trying to post has already been posted. So it's actually putting it in as a reply to somebody else's post. Okay. But there's my post. Didn't have to do all the typing. I type it once, I create a template, I'm done. So hopefully this video is easy enough to follow. Also, you'll take note that we created a new thread there. That button is also available on the quick reply. So just right there, click it. The little drop down comes down, click it. There's your posting template. So you can create these for posting templates, and like I said, if you like to welcome new members, maybe you like to put up a nice picture for new members, etc., and welcome them to the boards, you can use it for that. You can create as many categories and as many replies as you'd like to. It's completely up to you. So anyways, enjoy, take care, I'm out. I'll see you on the next video.